I chose the Precision Ag Technology program here because I heard it was a really good program with a lot of variety.
I chose to come to Mitchell Tech because of the hands-on. They had the best of the best as well what I could see for technology when doing hands-on instructors. I've heard multiple good things about from different kids that have graduated from this program in the past.
It seems like we're always doing something hands-on. We always have a project lined up, whether it's to put it on a side-by-side system that we're doing, a compact tractor to push snow, a whole planter like this, or an entire sprayer system that we're going to do too. It always seems like we're doing something hands-on. We always have a project planned out. Everyone gets the hands-on activities. It's really nice.
When you meet those kids in your class, you're learning with them constantly. So you guys are always implementing and helping each other figure stuff out in class. And we all really just gel good together, and it's a lot of fun.
We're maybe from different places in the state or even out of state, but we all have similar interests that makes us connected.
Our instructors, they're very good. They're always up and coming on the technology side of it. No matter what, they always know more than us and are always showing us the new things that are going on in the precision ag world. I love the variety. It's something different every day. You're always planning something, you're always going out to work on a project.
I would recommend Mitchell Tech's Precision Ag program greatly. We're so hands-on here. Like every day we're either doing something in the lab or we're going out the next day and we're planning for that.
Be the best at Mitchell Tech.